Just pick this welder up from the scrapyard. It's a turbo 150 Migmate. Paid 20 quid. So it's going through cleaning it all up, and I'll have a look through. Everything's there at least. Whether it works or not, I don't know, but a little bit of a project. Got a bit of a relay there. Might change that to a solid state. But the transformer's looking good condition. I ain't tested them yet. Diodes look alright, but obviously I ain't tested them. I'm just cleaning it up. It was in a right mess. So I'll carry on cleaning, then we'll do some tests. So cleaned it up a little bit. Looking a lot better. I ain't finished yet, but got some interesting parts. It's only got a small board, which is good. Just got one chip on it. This button here at the end's broke. Don't seem to be selecting, so I'll have to sort that out. Interesting motor. It's like a windscreen washer motor. There's your gas solenoid valve. So I'm going to go through everything now and test the transformer, the choke, the diodes, clean all them up, and then we'll see how we get on. Hopefully that relay works. If not, it'll have to be replaced. So anyway, get in there. It's looking a bit better. Just going to reassemble it and do some tests. The first test I did, I noticed that the switch isn't working on the welder, so I'm going to do that first. So it looks like all the wiring's intact to it. So I'm just going to get some wire wool, clean this contact up on this switch strip, I'd say, and then clean this up where it contacts. Just try and make a better contact, rebuild the gun, which is really, don't really want to be filming that because it's awkward to put them back together. So I'll try that, put it back together and see if it's working then. I doubt if it'll be just the switch, can't be that lucky. So I've just cleaned up all the oxidisation of the copper on this body bit and on the switch, and now when you press it, it is making contact. So now I've just got to get this switch back together, which is really fiddly, and then I'll give it a test. The switch is working a bit better anyway. Seems to be working now, the motor's turning. So get a step closer. So just turn that off. So when I get some wire and some gas, I'll give it a test. But I've got to go through it and test everything yet, so I'll do some videos on testing each component separately.